Welcome to Panama.
UberXL, which is a little bit bigger, like SUV. Uber Planet, UberX, and Uber Black. Uber Black is like luxury.
So the Uber is coming. That's the Uber, and that's us.
Saludos.
El número de código es el 9057. Muchas gracias.
Hasta luego.
Okay. Today, we're gonna give you step-by-step instructions on how you could easily use Uber here in Panama. The first thing you need to do is download the Uber app, and this is how. You're gonna install the Uber app from your app store. Open the app, the location, you could say yes. Get started with Uber. And then you're gonna create an account, and then you're just gonna follow the prompt. They're gonna ask you for your full name, address, telephone, email, form of payments, and things like that. So that's how you download the app and get started with the app. Second thing you have to do is that you have to have internet. So the internet's gonna depend on you. If you're coming from overseas to visit Panama, T-Mobile, they give free internet. Other carriers you have to pay, or you could switch out the SIM card, your US SIM card or your foreign SIM card, and put a Panamanian SIM card. Or if you live in Panama, then you could obviously just use your data from your Panamanian mobile carrier. And since most Uber drivers will not speak English, it would be good to just kind of know some basic Spanish phrases like saludos, hello, ¿cómo está? How are you? Aquí, here. I don't speak Spanish. No hablo español. Gracias, thank you. Por favor, please. ¿Dónde? Where? And also when it's time to do your PIN, it would be nice to either show them your phone with the PIN or give them the number yourself. So here are the numbers from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if your PIN is 8877, then you would tell them 8877. At the end of the video, if you're also interested in how to take the metro in Panama City, then I'll leave a link to that as well. To order your Uber, you're simply gonna open your app. Where to? You're gonna put where you wanna go. So we're gonna head to Los Pueblos. So just type in here where to. Los Pueblos, for example. It's gonna give you options, getting options. So you have UberXL, which is a little bit bigger, like SUV. Uber Planet, UberX, and Uber Black. Uber Black is like luxury. So we're gonna do UberX right here. I'm gonna choose UberX. Pick up at the Crown Plaza. Confirm. Make sure that the GPS lines up with where you're at. So sometimes the Uber is here, the pickup. So you have to make sure that's where you're actually at. So right there. And then you're gonna do confirm pickup. Confirm your pickup. It's gonna go ping a Uber, connecting to a driver. So it's gonna find a driver. All right. So right now it tells me that pickup's in 11 minutes. Here's the bottom, so the name of the person, Everardo. How many trips he's taken. It's got 5 stars. The vehicle license plate. This right here, 9057. That's the pin to give to him once he gets here. Or his time, 5 minutes, and mileage. So the Uber is coming. That's the Uber, and that's us. So one thing I like to do is double check the vehicle. Silver Chevy. What's the license plate? Right there, you see? Silver Chevy Avail. That should be it. So license plate, I'm gonna check right now. It should be C22724. C22724, correct. So license plate is good to go. Saludos, ¿cómo estamos? El número de código es el 9057. And then you wanna give him that code right there. So now we're on the way. Drop off time is 2:15. Sí, yo creo que está bien.
Bueno.
Muchas gracias.
Hasta luego.
Okay. Okay. So we're all done here. So now you have 2 options. You could leave a tip. You could do that cash, or right here you could also do a tip by via credit card. So 1, 3, 5, or do your own thing. Also, number 2, you could give him a rating. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 stars, depending on how you were treated. Alright, so now we're gonna order our Uber from here, from the Pueblo stores back to our hotel. So we just put from where we're at to Crown Plaza Hotel. We'll be here in about 12 minutes. Alright, so what happened was a couple of the Ubers that were assigned to me, they canceled. And so kind of be aware that they can cancel on you for whatever reason.
So now we have a new Uber that just picked up, and she will be here in 11 minutes. So this is her information. Her name is Jandra. She got a 5-point rating, and she's got a blue Kia Rio, license plate CB4527. And then again, we're gonna verify the license plate, and then we're gonna verify her name, and then we're gonna give her the 4-digit PIN code, which is 9782. Without that PIN, she cannot go anywhere. So that's for her safety and our safety as well. All right, so she is about 2 minutes away. You could stay here in this spot, but if you click this little 3 dots right there, you have the option to change the meeting point, add or change the destination, and also switch your credit card information as well. All right, so she's 1 minute away, 900 feet, 850 feet. The Uber app shows you exactly her location and how close she is. While you're waiting here in Panama, you're gonna have a lot of taxis kind of drive by, and they're gonna honk their horns. That's asking you if you want to ride. So just simply shake your head or wag your finger. No. So blue Kia, let's see, 4527. So you're gonna check the license plate. 4527. Yep, this is it. Buenas. Jandra.
¿Cómo está, señor Diego?
¿Cómo está usted?
Estoy viva y con saldo.
Qué bueno, qué bueno. Déjame darte el número, ¿verdad?
Sí.
9782. Okay, so then don't forget to give your driver the PIN number. And off we go.
Al Gran Plaza.
Once your trip is over, you have the option to give a person a cash tip or add it to the bill, and then you could rate the person as well. Hey, that's how you take an Uber here in Panama City, Panama. If you like the video, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you have any questions about Uber that maybe I didn't cover, please leave your comment below as well. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys learned something about taking an Uber here in Panama City, Panama.